Want to try upcoming features in Cricut Design Space? Switch to beta version. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, go up to your name on the top right side of the screen and open Menu. Step 2. Select Settings and the Design Space Settings window will pop up. Step 3. In the General tab, locate Additional Experience. Step 4. You'll notice that the application experience is set to live. Simply select beta to have a sneak peek of the features releasing soon. Step 5. Click Done and the beta version will automatically install and restart. Step 6. When you get the product setup screen, click Sign In. Step 7. Enter your ID and password, then sign into the account and try out the beta version. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.